Hi, it's Angeline here. I have a quick tip with Unity Stamp today, and I'm going to show you how to add some stamping details to your card. So first, I've already stamped and colored this Tulia girl from Unity Stamp with some Copic markers, and she's so beautiful! And I'm grabbing the little heart here from the Planner Girl kit from Unity Unis, and my watercolor resist pen from Prima because I want to stamp on her pants. So I'm just drawing a tiny border around her pants just to make sure I don't stamp outside the lines. If you don't have this masking fluid, don't worry, you can always use scrap paper. So while waiting for the masking fluid to dry, I am stamping the hearts around her with 3 shades of pinks and purples here to create more interest to the background. So now that the masking fluid is dry, I'm stamping the hearts onto her pants as well. And if you don't have this, don't worry. As you can see, you can always grab a scrap piece of paper and just stamp and make sure it doesn't go outside the lines. Once you're done, just remove the masking fluid with your fingers and you're done. Here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!